I initially went to the open day earlier this year and was completely sold from there. It's by far the best place out there.
I would say, even if you're scared for the language or because of your skills, I think you should just apply.
You're going to meet so many creative people and you'll discover more things that you potentially want to go through with rather than just production, rather than just DJing.
One of the best things about Point Blank is finding your sound and collaborating with other like-minded individuals.
It's a game changer for me. Now I really believe in my music, and I meet a lot of great people here, very friendly community.
The fact that there are people from the music industry and they come in to not only teach but also to talk about their experiences, I think they give us more realistic insight of the music industry.
I feel like I'm more informed after coming to Point Blank, what is going in the industry and stuff.
Different people choose different times in their life to come and study or take a break and study what they want to. Everyone is cool and chill in whatever they do so that there's no tension building up.
The lecturers are actually TT. They're amazing. They're really friendly, really helpful, and it's like having a conversation with a mate. It kind of helps me see things from a different perspective, which is what we need as artists.
It's been really relevant to what we need to know in the industry. It's been really engaging as well, so I've really enjoyed it so far. It's a really positive working environment, really good for creating new music.
Lecturers were very inspiring. It was really fun to hear about their stories in the industry, and it was great just to absorb all the knowledge that they shared.
And the atmosphere, hustle and bustle a bit. I like that I can just walk into the hub and I can see students working on different things. That's inspiring.
Just the thing that I've loved the most about being in Point Blank has been the access to the means to make the kind of music that I want and to pursue the kind of endeavors that I'm interested in.
I can come into school and rent out this Roland TRA and then use that for the next 2 hours and make some fire with it. And that's just something that I can't do by myself at home, you know what I mean?
Point Blank have always been really great and sort of supporting me through what have been personal challenges at the time. In terms of my development, thanks to Point Blank, I am leagues further than when I thought I'd be. Learning the more technical side of stuff, I loved. Even the stuff that other people might find boring, like learning about cables. I really loved it.